Alzheimer's disease is the most common neurodegenerative disease. My name is Talia Chapman, and today I will be informing you all about the past, present, and future research on Alzheimer's disease. This is useful information because this disease compromises billions of people's lives. Between the year of 2015 and 2050, the percentage of people over 60 will nearly double from 12 to 22%, affecting 2.1 billion people. First, I will talk to you about the past research from a few years ago. Over 150 therapies are clinically tested in humans with Alzheimer's disease or are currently in clinical trials for Alzheimer's disease, while only 5 have been approved for the use in treatment of Alzheimer's. While the drugs we have are currently approved for AD provide some symptomatic benefit for patients, but none deliver a disease-modifying effect. There is little evidence that existing drugs alter the disease course, meaning that even though the drugs we have, they don't really do anything for the disease. Now I will discuss more recent evidence from 2024. In 2024, the drug development pipeline, there are 164 clinical trials assessing 120 different drugs for Alzheimer's. There are 96 disease-modifying agents as of 2024 and 31 symptomatic agents in the AD pipeline. There have been no new therapies that have emerged, but recent progress has definitely been made with the development and approval of disease-modifying therapies, things like DMTs and symptomatic treatments. Lastly, I will highlight a few points that will be key points for future Alzheimer's research. Future research will help with being able to detect the disease earlier, and after detection, being able to diagnose it earlier than what they can now. More disease-modifying treatments versus symptomatic reasons. The things that we've been doing in the past few years aren't curing Alzheimer's, it's just making it easier to deal with. A wider range of diverse population for research so that treatments will be effective for all ethnic backgrounds. And there's millions of people that get Alzheimer's, which is why the research background should be, I guess, a broader spectrum, because it needs to be able to help everybody that gets Alzheimer's or has problems with Alzheimer's. In conclusion, I have given you all some of the main points and faults that we've dealt with in the past almost 10 years with Alzheimer's research. And I hope that this gives you a better understanding of how this disease affects hundreds and hundreds of people across the world.